International Monetary Fund head Christine Lagarde is in town. She's holding a joint briefing later with the South African Reserve Bank on South Africa's ailing economy, and that's the only way to describe it, ailing. Well, as Devin Murrigan does now report, analysts are expecting her to flag the country's poor growth and cash-strapped state-owned enterprises. They're also warning of a possible bailout loan.
IMF head Christine Lagarde comes to South Africa weeks after the global lender released a report with warning flags for the country. It said South Africa's new economic reforms are facing serious hurdles due to stagnant economic growth and the poor finances of state-owned companies. The IMF is not optimistic on growth, cutting its 2018 forecast from 1.5% to 0.8%, in line with several other forecasts. The elephant in the room remains the possibility of an IMF bailout for South Africa. So what's Lagarde likely to convey at this afternoon's press conference?
I suspect she'll be amping up that message, which is privatize, raise interest rates, make the budget deficit as low as possible. We may be, again, in the range of 4%. They want it down below 3%. Give the international investors confidence, try to get the investment grade rating back. So it's fairly predictable. But what's going on behind the scenes, what deals, if there's another loan, if there's conditions like raise Eskom tariffs to pay for this huge debt they're incurring now, that would be where I hope the society wakes up and says, like the Nigerians, we won't let this happen.
Economist Lumkile Mondi is convinced a bailout is on its way given the dire state of the country's finances.
So we've created this mess, fix it, and we can't fix it alone. So Christine Lagarde, the World Bank, together with our Treasury and our Reserve Bank officials, are here to help. So let's cook it. Let's see how much pain South Africans can take, given that the high cost of living already has taken its toll. We know that many South Africans are indebted. So this is what to get when economics is not the center of running a country.
The IMF leader is set to hold a briefing at 4 o'clock this afternoon with Reserve Bank Governor Lesetja Kganyago. Weak growth remains South Africa's fundamental economic problem. It increases the chance of borrowing. And Christine Lagarde's IMF has warned that optimism after President Cyril Ramaphosa's election victory has dissipated, leaving growth stuck in low gear. Devin Murrigan, Johannesburg.